Hello everybody. Let's start today's class. It is part 2 of exercise 15.1 chapter probability of class 10. In this part I will explain you from question number 7 to question number 13. Question number 7, it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday? It's the event and not event. Okay, already we know the sum of event and not event. So okay, sum of probability of event and probability of not event is equal to 1. So probability of event, that is students have the same birthday. So okay, is equal to 1 minus probability of not event. So 1 minus 0.992 is equal to 0.008. So probability that the 2 students have the same birthday is equal to 0.008. Next question is question number 8. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red ball? Or second question is not red. So total number of ball, red ball 3, black 5, so total is 8. It's okay, we have to make a format. Now red ball is number of red ball upon total number of ball is the probability of red ball, that is 3 upon 8. Similarly, probability of not a red ball, it is 1 minus probability of red ball, that is 1 minus 3 upon 8, 5 upon 8. In this way you can do, or directly not a red ball means black ball, it is 5 upon 8, you can do it. Question number 9. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. 1 marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red or white? And third point is not green. Red, white or green marbles has given 5, 8 and 4. And total is 17. Now probability of red marble is number of red marbles upon total number of marbles, it is 5 upon 17. Okay. Probability of white marbles, similarly number of white marbles upon total number of marbles, 8 upon 17. Next third part is not green. Not green means sum of red and white upon total. So it is number of not green marble, that is the total marble minus green, 17 minus 4 upon 17, that is 13 upon 17. Question number 10. A piggy bank contains hundreds 50 paisa coins, 50 1 rupee coins, 22 rupees coins and 10 5 rupees coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out from the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin first is will be a 50 paisa coin, second will not be a rupees 5 coin. 50 paisa coin, there are 100 number of 50 paisa coins, and number 1 rupee coins 50, 2 rupees coins 20, 5 rupees coins 10s, and total coins is 180. Okay, now we have to find out 50 paisa coin, it is 100 out of total coins 180. 100 upon 20, 180, it is 5 upon 9. Now not rupees 5 coin. So okay, not a rupees 5 coins, that is the number of total coins, rupees 5 coins, total coins minus rupees 5 coins and total number of coins, that is 180 minus 10. 10 is number rupees 5 coins is 10. So it is 170 upon 180, it is 17 upon 18. Question number 11. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium, the shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? Now probability of male fish is number of male fish upon total number of fishes. So it is male 5, female 8, total 13. So it is male is 5 upon 13. So okay. Question number 12. A game of chance consists of spinning a rope with comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will point at 8 or an odd number, third point up a number greater than 2, fourth is a number less than 9. Now one by one it is the die. So chance we have to see. The first is number 8. If the arrow point to the number 8, for that there are total number is 8, out of 8 is 1 chance. So it is total number of means a sample space, it is 1 to 8, that means 8, and number of event is 8, means only 1. So okay, 1 upon 8. Now probability of an odd number. So number of events 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers, and number of sample space 1 to 8. So it is 4 upon 8, it is 1 upon 2. Now probability of a number greater than 2. Greater than 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So okay, number of events are this and number of sample space are this. So it is 6 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 4. A number less than 8. Less than 8, all the numbers are less than 8. 1 to 8. It is the number of events and number of sample space. They are also same numbers 8. So 8 upon 8 is equal to 1. Okay. Question number 13. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number, a number lying between 2 and 6, and odd numbers. So okay, an odd number. Now first is events is, first point is a prime number. So okay, event are 2, prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. Okay, and sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In a die there are 6 numbers. Out of them 2, 3 and 5 are the prime number. 1 is not a prime and not a composite, so we can't count 1. Now probability of a prime number is number of event upon number of sample space. 3 upon event is 3 and number of sample space is 6. 3 upon 6 it is 1 upon 2. Now probability, next event is a number lying between 2 and 6. The numbers are 3, 4 and 5. They are in between 2 and 6. Okay. Now sample space are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So probability of event means probability of a number lying between 2 and 6, that is equal to number of event upon number of sample space. Number of event is 3. There are 3 events and it is 6. 3 upon 6 it is 1 upon 2. Next event is given an odd number. So okay, and events are odd numbers are 1, 3 and 5 are odd number. Okay, and sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are the sample space. So therefore probability of event is 3 upon, so okay, 3 upon 6. It is also 1 upon 2. Thank you very much.